Handa ka bang mawala ang mali para sa tama? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. This is the real question. Choosing truth will cost comfort. Choosing alignment will cost familiarity. But staying the same will cost you your life. And that's the most expensive price. Not everything you lose is a loss. Some things leave to make room for what's real. 3 practical moves para dito. Number 1, decide what you're willing to lose. Linawin kung ano ang kaya mong bitawan para mamuhay ng totoo. Number 2, choose a long-term self over short-term comfort. Piliin ang sarili kahit masakit ngayon, kaysa magsisi habang buhay. Number 3, walk forward without explaining. Kumilos ng hindi humihingi ng approval sa mga hindi sasama sa direksyon mo. Tandaan, hindi lahat ng mawawala ay kawalan. Minsan, clearance lang yan para sa totoo. Thank you for watching. I'm Catherine Eucor and you are here in Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.